In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add payment method in Hostinger. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to Hostinger. Sign into your account so you can access the control panel. Once you're logged in, you'll be looking at the dashboard where all your hosting and billing options are available. Take a moment to confirm you're on a secure network and that your browser is up to date to avoid any interruptions while entering payment details. Next, move over to the sidebar menu and locate the billing section. The sidebar is where Hostinger groups account management options, and billing is the area that contains everything related to invoices, subscriptions, and payment methods. Click on Billing and let the page load fully before proceeding. Inside the billing area, find and click the Payment Methods tab. This is where Hostinger displays any cards or PayPal accounts you've already added and where you'll be able to add a new one. If you don't see any existing methods, the page will guide you toward adding your first. If you do have existing methods, you'll be able to review them here and decide whether to add, remove, or update. To add a new payment method, click the Add Payment Method button. A small form or modal will appear with several options, typically including credit card and PayPal. Choose the payment type you prefer. If you select credit card, enter the card number exactly as it appears, include the expiration date, and type the CVC code from the back of your card. For PayPal, you'll be guided through a secure login flow to authorize Hostinger to charge your account. Before you submit, double-check the billing address and card details for accuracy, and avoid entering sensitive information while connected to public Wi-Fi. When everything looks correct, click Add or Save to submit your details. Hostinger may verify the card or account right away, or it may take a moment. Keep an eye on any confirmation messages on screen and any emails they send. Once verification completes, your new payment method will appear in the Payment Methods list and is ready for future purchases or renewals. That's it. You've successfully added a payment method in Hostinger. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.